Say hello to Miss Arianny Celeste, my gorgeous model. Today we're going to use Benefit Cosmetics Hello Happy Foundation in shade 5. It's their new full coverage foundation, followed by the very best Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer with the Beauty Blender to blend that out and give it the ultimate full coverage. I like setting it with Laura Mercier's Invisible Set only underneath the eyes because Hello Flawless by Benefit Cosmetics powder is my favorite to cover to give an ultimate full coverage, balanced by their neutral contour bronzing powder in Hula Light with Dandelion, which is my go-to for a easy to use highlight that works with most skin tones. Morphe brushes coming through with their Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer contour palette. I'm going to use Donut on her lid as eyeshadow, then Venus in the center of her lid and on the inner corner just to brighten that eye up for that bronzy, smoky eye, because Fabulous in that contour palette deepens that crease. Next we have Gel Eyeliner from M.A.C Cosmetics in Black Black. This with an angle brush delivers a effortless eyeliner that's really hard to mess up. It just makes it glides on easy. You can keep on going back and forth and sketch out your shape without feeling like, oh my god, it's liquid, it might just be ruined if I mess up here. It's very forgivable, ultimately. Get yours, thank me later. Great Lash by Maybelline. It's been around for centuries, I feel like, and it's because it's that staple mascara. Ardell has some really nice individuals that look like your own lashes. Super easy to apply with duo glue or whatever glue of your choice. With tweezers, it just makes it simple, easy, and you add a few and you're done without doing a whole strip. M.A.C Cosmetics in red, that is the perfect, bright, obnoxious, but yet gorgeous lip liner that you just can't live without. I recommend everyone have one. Lime Crime is, to me, the godfather of that matte stain on your lip that will not move no matter what you do. And this color is just unforgettable. I mean, it's called Red Velvet, literally the founder of this whole movement. You know you did a good job when your model's taking selfies before the makeup's done. Okay, now let's talk about brows. Benefit Cosmetics in Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is shade 5. I'm going to create the fluff. I want to look like I have more eyebrow hair than what's actually there. Take light pressure and follow the growth of the direction of your eyebrows. It's all there is to it. With a super light hand, you guys, super light, everything works such better like that. And then guess what? Set it with your eyebrow gel in Gimme Brow, same shade as your pencil, or you can go a little bit lighter. And once again, follow the direction that your hair grows, and you're done. That's it. There's no secret. It's just art. Tune in for my next video. I will be doing more of these. Thank you, Arianny Celeste, for being my model. Check her out. Love you guys. Until next time.